Guys, this is so cool. Okay, there's a unicorn. Nay. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Just a Alright, guys, today I am doing an unboxing of the new iPhone X. Oh my god. Oh my god. I almost dropped the iPhone X. So, guys, this is the new iPhone X. It's iPhone XS. As an iPhone X snake. No, I don't know what I'm saying. Anyways, this is a new iPhone, and it just came out, and we're just about to, and just Ameerah is just about to just open this. Anyway, so let's open this and let's stop smacking it around. Oh wait, and today's like my channel review. You got to comment down below if you like Samsung's or iPhone's better, and then his like mine. I like iPhone better, but I also really like Samsung's camera, and like I feel like you could do more stuff with Samsung, but like iPhones, I really like the like layout and everything. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to go with iPhone. How do you open this? Oh wait, let's go straight on into the video. Yo! Okay, they literally made it impossible to just, one of those things where it's like you have to take this out first, which is fine, but like, they made it impossible to take it out. Oh, guys! Okay. Oh my god, I'm trying to be happy here and excited, but they kind of make it a little bit hard.
3 days later.
There, finally! Oh my god, guys, look at this! Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god, I dropped. This is beautiful, guys. Look at it's brand new. We gotta go ahead and peel off the wrapping. So, all right, guys, let's open this. It's ASMR Ameerah right now, which is really bad Ameerah. Anyways, let's go. Whoa, that's such a cool wrapping. Do you guys see that? I thought I was gonna have to rip it apart, but like, it's just perfectly there. Oh my god, guys, look at this. Oopsies.
That's great.
All right, oh look, there's earphones, you know, so you can plug it into the phone. There's the earphones to plug into the phone. Oh my god, guys, look at that. Hey. I am excited to try out the little emoji thingamajigger and the camera and stuff. And then here's the charger, and that's not interesting. I don't want to touch this because it's like so new and stuff, and you know, it's turning on. I didn't think it was gonna have a whole grand entrance. Hello. All right, let's open it. English, United States. What is this?
6.5 hours later.
Face ID. Oh, Face ID. I've never done Face ID. Okay, let's see. iPhone can recognize unique blah, 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 blah. Okay, I don't really like doing this because I don't like taking pictures in general. Then move your head in a circle to show all the angles. Okay.
Oh my god.
I got the first part of it completed. Continue. This is really awkward to do.
3:28 a.m.
Face ID is not set up. All right, that was pretty easy. Hello. Oh, let's try out the Face ID, guys. It did it! Now we're just gonna go ahead and set it up as new iPhone. Great, so I don't have to wait again. Alright, we're finally in, guys, after like a whole hour of agreeing and just doing stuff. We are finally in, and we're gonna look at the phone. Here's the phone, and ta-da, that is it. Alright, well, this is pretty cool. It's very clear. I don't like that there's no home button, but I mean, I guess I'll just get used to it, you know. But yeah, here it is, guys. Here's a bunch of stuff we don't need, and let's go ahead and go to the camera like I wanted. Alright, so let's look at my cell. Okay, so here is the camera, guys. The picture's the same? It's just a live picture, okay. How about videos? No? Okay, that's still the same. I just have a bunch of pictures. This is my iPhone, the pictures that my iPhone has now. And portrait, I think it's just the same. Square, panel. Is there anything interesting on this phone? Okay, I just pressed the home button. All right, let's see I think actually the emoji thingy is inside the messages. So we're gonna go ahead and do message. Oh, there it is, the emojis. So you can only do Animoji in the messaging. You can put your tongue out! Whoa, guys, it's crazy. Can you get out of the way, sir? What the heck? We're gonna create my own emoji, guys. Oh my god, look at I think that's my skin color. I don't know. Is it? I think it's like either these two. It's this one. I think we're just gonna do it like, I think that is good. All right, I have a ton of freckles, I'm just kidding. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and screen record this, guys. All right, I got the screen recording up in there. Okay, there's the control center. That's gonna be really annoying, honestly, guys, because I like going to the control center and going like that, but like now I have to go like that. I have to go all the way up there. Are you kidding me? Ugh, whatever. All right, recording. Guys, I can't deal with this tongue thing. It's funny and I really like it. Anyways, okay, so I got my skin color. Now we're gonna go to the hairstyle. I mean, that's kind of my hair, but I don't have bangs, so we gotta get to the bangs. Is that my hair? No. This would be more my hair, but that's like still not my hair because my hair is a little bit more like, why did it jiggle? It jiggled. Okay, this is my hair. Can somebody please tell me where my hair is? This is the Kim Kardashian hair. This can be my hair, I guess. Well, we're going into the guy section. I found the perfect one. This is the perfect one. I can't find my hair. That is interesting. It's like a bunch of noodles. Look, guys, it's a bunch. It literally looks like a bunch of noodles. All right, we're gonna have to go with this one, even though it doesn't really look like my hair. Kind of looks like Tarzan, but whatever. Head shape. My head shape is, I think, a round head shape. I don't think it's that round. I think this is probably the best head shape. Oh wait, this is the age. What the? There's so many choices.
346 minutes later.
There we go, I think that's good. Alrighty, I have no eyewear. I think we're almost done, guys. Lenses, wait, what's lenses? All right, I think we're almost done. We have headwear. Do they have cat ears? Because I wear ears a lot. Okay, and I think I am done. All right, here's the little emoji. I can't deal with the tongue thing, guys. It never gets old. And then there's the monkey, and then the mouse. And that's not a mouse, that's a cat. Whoopsies. Ooh, an alien. Oh, ew. Guys, this is so cool. Okay, there's a unicorn. Nay. Its tongue is a galaxy. Oh, there's a dragon. The skull has a tongue. What the heck? There's a T-Rex, guys. Okay, I think we've had enough. Oh my God, I'm sorry. There's a freaking Snapchat ghost. Okay, well, I think we had enough of the Animoji. Well, I haven't. I'm still gonna go after that, but I'm pretty sure you guys have had enough of the Animoji. And if you haven't, then make sure to comment down below, and then I'll do a whole 30-minute video on Animoji ASMR. I'm just kidding. All right, what do we do now? I don't know what is on this phone. I mean, that's basically what I bought this phone for. Is just for the Animoji. So. Alrighty, guys. I think we should start kind of comparing. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get this phone. I want to compare the screen quality. So let's see that. Alrighty, here is a comparison. Ooh, the screen is actually bigger. This is an iPhone 8, I think. I don't know what it is, but it's a plus, and the screen is like the same size, so that's pretty interesting. Alright, guys, let's go ahead and take some pictures of me, and we can really determine the quality of these. Okay, guys, we're gonna go ahead and do portrait now, and we gotta make it like aesthetic and stuff, so let's just pose. Okay, guys, let's compare these pictures now. Let's compare these beautiful whoa, that actually took a really good picture, and that's just the old phone. Let's see the new phone. Let's see if the new phone is actually good, or it's just a hoax or a BOGO. I don't know. All right. Ooh, you can swipe up to see live photo effects. Okay, well, I don't really care. Dang, that is really good, guys. I don't know, like, there's not something I can completely like say or pick out, but like it just looks better. Like it's clearer, I guess. All right, let's continue. Well, that wasn't very aesthetic. That one looks like I'm falling off my chair. I like this one, guys. I think this one is the winner. All right, let's continue. I think Apple should hire me as a model for their phone. Oh, there's my slime. Okay, well, this one seems a bit more like yellow and like more clear, and this one just seems like old. Alrighty, guys, so I decided to download YouTube. I'm just gonna go ahead and just YouTube guest, whatever. Alrighty, guys, we're just gonna look up slime, you know, to see how good the slime ASMR is. Alrighty, guys, so I decided I'm gonna look up slime icebergs, and we are gonna compare the quality of the video and the quality of the sound. So let's do this. Okay, slime iceberg. Alright, let's see. I think we should do the first one right here, and let's do this. Okay, so first we have this one. No, don't. So sound all the way up. This is an iceberg. That is nothing of iceberg, but whatever. Okay, that's that. Alrighty, next one. So this one has an ad. Okay, so first of all, the video itself is kind of weird because it doesn't have like the borders right here, so that's interesting, but it kind of does with the borders, which is really weird, so I'm confused. Oh wait, I don't think the sound is all up. I'm sorry, 1 second. There we go, it's only halfway. All right, let's do this. I don't know, this one kind of sounds louder. What the heck? Guys, that's so weird. Okay, this is an older this is the brand new phone, and the speaker isn't as loud as the old phone. Like, that doesn't make any sense. Like, let me just do this really quick again. Maybe if I put it on the counter, maybe that's the problem. All right, that's that. All right, let's listen to this one. Still louder. Okay, I'm gonna go through the settings really. Well, the sound sounds clearer on this one. This one's a little bit more muffled, but like this one's louder. But I'm gonna go ahead and check the settings because I sometimes I think you can like make it louder. So I'm gonna go ahead and check if that's. All right, guys, it is not different at all. I'm a little just confused on this, but we're gonna continue. We're gonna listen. Maybe something. Maybe it needs to warm up. Maybe that's what it needs to do. Okay, so that's this one. Oh, whoa, the brightness on this one is not all the way up and it's already really bright. I think that's definitely brighter. This one is definitely brighter, which is pretty cool. All right, let's listen to it again. That's the old one. Here's the new one. Alrighty, well this one, the sound is definitely clearer, but it is not as loud. But I feel like maybe since this one's bigger, maybe that's why, but I don't know. Okay, another thing I want you to try out is apparently this one has like really good colors and it also has like true black. So we're gonna go ahead and look up some type of video that has black in it, and let's see. There's like a live video of the earth right now, you know, always apparently. So we're gonna go ahead and look that up because there's a lot of black there because it is space, so yeah. Okay, which one should we do? We're gonna go ahead and do this last one. Okay, there's the live. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put that there. Okay, I could definitely tell the difference. Like this one is a bit more blue and then this one is like just completely black and it looks so cool. And like you can see the colors are definitely better on this one. Okay guys, look at the difference between this one is kind of like more blue, I don't know if you guys can see. And this one is like really like just completely pitch black and it's crazy. This is a video by the way guys. It's just moving very slowly. And it does seem a bit clear, like you can see more detail. Like this one's a bit more blurry and then this one is like very clear and it has more color. So that's pretty cool. Alrighty, okay, I want to do another thing I just thought of. What if we put like fireworks or something, you know? 10 hours of fireworks. We're gonna go ahead and do that one. Oh jeez. Ooh, let's turn the microphone. Fireworks. What the heck? It got fur fireworks. Oh wait, it just kept, what the? Ah, I'm confused. Okay, here. Fireworks, not four, just fireworks. Ugh, I'm so confused, guys. Okay, is this one right here? And let's do this. That's that one. It's completely pitch black, that's so crazy. Hey guys, you can see me. I don't know if you guys can see me, but I can see me. All right, there's this one. Whoa, do you guys see how much like clear this one is? Why doesn't it go away? Okay, this one looks like a video and this one just plain out looks like there's just fireworks in the screen. It's crazy. Let's have them both at the same time. At the same time, guys. Look at that. Alright, guys. Well, I guess that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you comment down below if you want to do that part 2. If you want me to try anything else that I missed, because I feel like I missed a bunch of stuff. I just don't really know. But anyways, I like it a lot. And the quality of the phone is actually really, really nice. And I never even noticed the black part. And it's crazy how nice it is. And I can't wait to watch Netflix on it. Anyways, that's it, guys. Thank you so much. And I really hope I see you next time. Bye.